Gold has surged past $3,000 an ounce for the first time in history, driven by President Trump's aggressive trade policies and global economic uncertainty. This milestone highlights gold's traditional role as a safe haven during turbulent times. Breaking news. Gold just smashed through the $3,000 barrier for the first time ever. I'm your host at the Investing Iguana, bringing you the latest financial updates that matter to Singapore investors. Gold prices hit $3,001 $20 an ounce on Friday, continuing their impressive 14% rally this year. This surge comes as President Trump implements sweeping tariffs against allies and rivals alike. Just this week, Trump threatened 200% tariffs on European wines and spirits, adding to the 25% tariffs already imposed on Canada, Mexico, and the EU. These tariff wars are creating exactly the conditions that make gold shine. Investors fear higher inflation, slower economic growth, and disrupted global trade. For Singaporean investors, this presents both challenges and opportunities. Meanwhile, stock markets are showing signs of recovery after a brutal week. The S&P 500 rebounded 1.8% on Friday, but remains in correction territory, down over 10% from its February peak. That's about $5 trillion in market value wiped out in less than a month. The Dow and Nasdaq also bounced back but couldn't erase their weekly losses. What's driving gold beyond tariffs? Central banks worldwide are reducing their reliance on the US dollar, with China, Poland, India, and Turkey being major gold buyers. This trend accelerated after Russian dollar assets were frozen following the Ukraine invasion in 2022. For Singapore investors, this gold rally offers potential portfolio protection. But remember, even at $3,000, gold is still below its inflation-adjusted peak of $3,800 from 1980. The bottom line, with Trump's unpredictable trade policies creating market volatility, diversification remains crucial. Gold's historic run might continue if trade tensions escalate further, but always balance your exposure across different asset classes.